Today, my name is Akimoto. I'm from the village of Tumuning. I graduated from the Father Duenas Memorial School class of 2018. I'm currently attending McAllister College in St. Paul, Minnesota, and I have just finished my summer internship here at FHP Health Center with the Guam Cancer Clinical Trials Program. The plan is to be a biology major right now, but I have aspirations to get into medical school and become a physician and ultimately try and come back to the island and serve the community here. Well, my experience with this summer internship was honestly, first and foremost, very educational. I think it was very eye-opening about the capability of, or what it takes to really establish a research program, and also it's very eye-opening about the kind of challenges that we face here on island, not just with our geographical area, but also just with our the lack of representation in terms of the demographic that we have here on island doesn't normally get represented in research, and I think that's I hadn't really thought about it in that light before, but I think it was very impactful in that regard, knowing that we have a very specific purpose here with the research that we're doing. Not only do we want to give the island community that opportunity to be a part of these research programs, but also just the getting that representation for this region, and be able to put myself in a position where I have the experience and have the knowledge to be able to serve the community in the best way that I can, and the island's patients. Really, I think just for all that they've done for me, I feel like I've just it's the least that I can do, to come back and give back the best that I can. I think that's this experience is really built upon that. So, well, what I would say to any interested students who are thinking about being a part of a research program would be, this is absolutely a very good way to get started, but it all starts with, of course, having an interest in not only science, of course, but you have to be interested in the people, I think, and that's one thing that I've learned from Dr. Ambrale. He's a very caring physician. I feel he definitely creates a connection with his patients, and when we live on an island as small as Guam, you're bound to see someone that you know, and it really becomes a lot closer than just especially in our clinical trials, more than just a researcher and patient interaction. These are people that live on the island with you. So I think first and foremost you need to have an interest and a passion, but at the same time it's nothing to be super intimidated about, because the people here at FHP, Dr. Ambrale, are very welcoming and very just considerate and very patient with me as I kind of try, and I ask a lot of questions, and I really am grateful for their patience and the amount of care that they've really given me. So.